Hey guys, hi, this is Samiksha from Super Makeup-ish. Today's video is gonna be on party / clubbing / New Year's Eve makeup. So if you want to know how to achieve this really sexy party makeup, then just keep watching. On my lid, I've applied Inglot's eyeshadow in 448. It's a really pretty grey with a tint of silver. It's a fabulous color. Taking an angled brush, I outline the shape of my eye using a black eyeshadow, which is Inglot's number 65, and following which I use MAC 219 brush, which is a pencil brush, and I just fill in the outer V of my eye. Using a MAC 226 brush, I smoothen out any harsh lines. I also deepen the color a little bit more by dipping it in the black and applying it on the outer V alone. Then I apply espresso onto my crease. Now this is to smoothen out the eyeshadow on my crease and also to have like a gradual transition from dark to light. At this point, I darken the black a little bit more using the same 226 brush from MAC. I smoothen out the edges by using my foundation, and the foundation I've used is MAC Studio Tech in NC35. I apply the grey color that we used earlier onto my lid to intensify the color a little bit more, make it brighter. Then I apply Inglot's eyeshadow pigment in number 23 onto my lid. It's a really pretty grey / silver pigment. As you can see, it is really bright and it just brightens your eye. I smoothen out the obvious line between the grey and the black using MAC 226 brush. For my brow highlight, I have applied Inglot's eyeshadow in 463. The reason why I'm not using white is because white can sometimes look ashy. Hence, I've kind of used like a beige nude color. Then I apply eyeliner. The eyeliner that I'm using is by L'Oreal and it's a super line. I absolutely love that eyeliner. Following which, I apply a white gel eyeliner on my lower waterline. I'm using Inglot's eyeliner in number 76. And I lock it using a white pencil. Then I apply a black eyeliner pencil on my lower lash line and not on my waterline. This is to just darken the lash line. I set in the eyeliner using a black eyeshadow and using a small brush. I don't know what it's called, but a really small pointed brush. I pull out the eyeliner a little bit out from the inner corner of my eye and I join it to the lower lash line, drawing a thin line underneath my lash line. At this point, it should look something like this. Curl your eyelashes and apply loads of mascara lavishingly to both your upper and lower lashes. I'm using Lancome's Hypnosis. With this, we're done with the eyes and we'll move on to eyebrows. I'm using Perfect Brows eyebrow kit. I will do a full video on how I fill my eyebrows later. Using a large fluffy brush, I'm applying these shimmer balls from Body Shop onto my face. I apply it on my cheekbone, on my forehead and on my jawline. It is really pretty. It is more a shimmer, but I'm kind of using it to contour my face. For the lips, I'm using NYX Perfect Red. As the name, it is a perfect red. I absolutely love this color. It is a bright red lipstick. I am in love with it. Applying a white on your Cupid's bow gives an illusion of a bigger, poutier lip, and I love that. So I'm applying white on my Cupid's bow. With this, we're done with this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I absolutely love recording this video. It's something different. It's not something that I've actually done. So thank you so much for watching. Do follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Tumblr. Do give me a thumbs up if you love this video, or if you like this video, do rate this video. I love you all and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.